one of my mentors, who in a one video many years back said is, what will you do if you suddenly have $20 billion in your bank account? It's one of the top questions. They ask a group of us when we were sitting about nearly 150 of us. What will you do when you have $20 billion in your bank account? So for many people, that the thought of having such money itself was not there. So they first had to train them, spend some time, think about it. It's literally to say unlimited money is there in your bank account. What will you do? So at that point, people start saying, we love to do this. This is what we will do. Because you don't have to worry about your paycheck. You don't have to worry about your bills and so on. Likewise, to become financially independent, you have to have that mindset. What are you going to do that gives you the maximum satisfaction as if you have all the wealth you need? To do that, you start with the basic visualization of, I am always financially independent. Then your brain starts giving you the subconscious triggers. Where are you going to find the resources? So for these three points that I discussed, the candidates, the students, and the professionals, they have to develop certain visualizations with the VKA strategy. For the first one, I am always growing in my job. You have to think of 5, 6, 7, or even 10 outcomes that prove to you that you're growing in your job. This only the person, the individual will be customizing it. We cannot pre-program or give them suggestions. We can maybe give small suggestions like, what is the proof that, in your case, Abrar, what is the proof that you're growing in your career? You could share a couple of things with me. Like in my case, I would say if I have one more property, it means I've been able to invest, I'm growing in my career, I've made enough money. So like that, there'll be some more things. Like, can you share with the audience, what would you have as a proof that your career is growing?
Yeah,
maybe, can you share that, brother?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
So a couple of things, like I'm feeling like I'm always, upskilling myself, for example, like Lean
Upskilling,
Six
okay.
Sigma,
Yeah.
Lean Six Sigma from green belt to
Yeah.
black belt to master black belt. This upskilling
Excellent.
is one. And then
Upskilling is one.
the power platforms, like, the power automates, everything initially was not been known. Now I feel more and more. So one is on the training front. Another one is that I'm able to financially, cap my values in such a way that I don't need to be fully dependent, but I can draw a good plan and all that. So these two are the one which I wanted to add up.
Wonderful. So this is giving you clarity that you are growing. Likewise, I want all the people who are seeing our videos to think of what is a proof that they're growing in their career. Is it upskilling? Probably getting regular awards, annual awards from the management. That could be one. In many companies, you are given stock options.
Could be promotion also as well, right? Yeah.
Promotion, stock options. Like only certain candidates were very good and are considered as, you can say, totally necessary for the company, cannot do without them. They are given stock options to continue working here. So they call employee ESOPs. So it could be that you get certain ESOPs, that's a proof. So whatever you think is the right proof for you that you are growing in your career, you have to note it down and create a custom visualization of that. Like before you go to office, you should imagine you're getting an email saying that so-and-so person, congratulations, you've been promoted. Congratulations, you've got so much ESOPs. You're eligible to get stock option in the company. Congratulations, you got a foreign project. Like suddenly proof of your success is that instead of doing work for the foreign company here, you may have to go there and deploy yourself abroad, whether it's in Canada, US, or Europe, to do the setup over there. That's another proof. And in fact, there's a true story. A very talented individual I know who was my friend for more than 10 years, still keeping in touch. He was not very happy in his job, even though he was one of the best programmers. And suddenly one day he's beaming, he's very happy. Then finally, Tameem, mujhko US bhej rahe hain. That's all he wanted. He wanted one chance to go to US. So happy, and he's growing very well there. Now he's, he's got double or 2, 3 projects extra. He keeps coming and going. But the first step, finally getting stamping the visa, going there, deploying the software and coming back, changed his personality. Always being upset, or suddenly he's wearing good clothes. His posture has changed. The way he speaks, he's making more friends and so on. Small things okay, it's a big thing, but people for whom are going regularly abroad, it may be a small thing, but for others, it could be a simple, singular proof that you're growing in your career. So visualize these things. What will make you could visualize an airport. Instead of the subconscious mind needs tangible symbols of your visualization. So they could visualize an airport. They could visualize their boarding pass, for example, for going abroad. They could visualize seeing an Excel file in the computer that shows how much stocks they have got from the company through their ESOP program.